Hi, I'm Rob DeLisi with Stonegate Legal Services. In today's video, we're going to cover 5 things that landlords need to know about LTB notices. Number 1, it is a legal requirement before filing. I get landlords calling me all the time that I sent an email, I sent a text message on Messenger letting the tenant know that they owe rent or they have an intention to move in or that they're late. These are not legal notices. That's why the LTB is there. There are notices that you must use when communicating with your tenant. Number 2, the forms or the notices must be 100% accurate. Even though the time frames to get to the board have shortened up, please understand that when you get to the board, if there are any mistakes, there's a good chance that the board member may dismiss your application. Number 3, notices expire 30 days after the termination date. Keep that in mind when you're doing your notice. Treat it like a business. If the tenant owes you money, you do not need to do multiple notices. One notice will usually suffice. Number 4, it must be filed via an application. All the notices that you give are the notices that go to the tenant. However, for it to be filed with the board, you must now give an application to the board, whether it's an L1 or an L2. And last but not least, you must serve the notice properly. Email can or cannot be an acceptable form of service, depending on what you have in your agreement. However, to keep things safe, you should always be looking at your certificate of service and always use the acceptable forms of service. I hope this video was helpful, and if you have any questions, let us know.